The number of positive COVID-19 cases in South Dakota has now surpassed 5,000. Health officials confirmed 41 new positive cases. The number of people in the hospital also rose to 87. However, 66 more people recovered from the illness, bringing that total to more than 3,900 who have now recovered. The state also did not report any new deaths. Well, with COVID-19 on the minds of many over the last few months, Sanford Health has seen a decrease of adult wellness appointments. In tonight's Health Beat, KELOLAND's Sophie Heineman talks with a local nurse about why some appointments should not be postponed.
COVID-19 isn't the only health concern on people's minds right now. Jeannie Jostin with Sanford Health says for adults with certain health issues, such as diabetes, the pandemic has created a barrier in continued care.
We've seen patients have dropped off. For example, if they were due to come in for a diabetic recheck, in 3 months, some people have pushed that out to where it's been 6 months or 9 months or even longer since they've been in.
She says adult checkup appointments meant to manage health issues like diabetes or hypertension and screenings like a mammogram are important not to miss.
There's a lot of different wellness things in there that people should be getting still during the pandemic, because the idea is we don't want to push that off and then miss some very subtle signs or symptoms that things are not well.
Place the stethoscope directly on the skin.
While she says there has been an increase in telehealth use for these kinds of appointments, not all of them can be completed virtually. She says if an in-person visit is necessary, patients shouldn't fear coming in to be seen.
We do everything possible to screen so that they are kept as safe as possible when they're coming to visit their provider. And the idea is to don't push off things like this. We want to keep people healthy. And ideally, that means better long-term outcomes and also preventing any sort of issues.
With Health Beat, I'm Sophie Heineman.
All patients and visitors are asked to wear a mask. If you aren't able to bring your own, one will be provided.